Hello everyone. It is great to have the opportunity to present to you what Sevensense is planning to show at Logimat in Stuttgart from the 31st of May to the 2nd of June. At Sevensense, we build the eyes and brains for mobile robots to bring visual AI capabilities to AGVs and AMRs. Why is this important to you? Are your AGVs lacking flexibility? Does it take long for the vehicles to be installed at the end customer location? Do you need trained personnel to use them? If you would answer yes to at least one of these questions, pay attention to what we have to say today and come visit us at our booth in Hall 2, D33. But now let's dive into what we really want to talk about today. The industry of material handling has seen major changes and trends in these last few years. A couple of examples, for instance, e-commerce and personalized production. E-commerce brings the challenge of on-time delivery and large throughput, while personalized production requires a high level of flexibility and configurability of work and material flow. Together with the cost pressure and the difficulty of finding skilled personnel, automation can be a solution to the problem. But is the automation technology of today able to completely satisfy the needs of the industry? AGVs and AMRs have progressed in the past few years, but they rely on legacy navigation technologies that are limited. Can AMRs handle truly dynamic environments? Are they able to really understand what's going on around them? Are they easy to use so that even non-specialized personnel are able to deploy them? Talking to many players in the industry helped us to expose the several limitations of AGVs and AMRs that we see in some warehouses and factory floors nowadays. AMRs manufacturers must take action now to fulfill the need for advanced navigation skills that the industry demands and compete with the leading players. Engineering talent to develop such advanced technology is scarce, and the competition is becoming stronger and stronger. Demonstrating a technological edge is key. At Sevensense, we found a common denominator to address these challenges. We call visual AI. Sevensense develops top-of-the-class autonomous navigation solutions for AGVs and AMRs to help vehicle manufacturers stay atop of the technology rush. In fact, we provide a plug-and-play navigation solution for AGVs that fulfills all the standards of the industry, and it is very easy to integrate on multiple kinds of wheeled vehicles. We run the most advanced and precise 3D visual SLAM software that outperforms legacy 2D LiDAR technologies. On top of this, with our 3D perception and navigation capabilities, we help AGVs manufacturers fulfill their most ambitious and difficult projects. Sevensense today works with several players, especially in the automated material handling and the professional cleaning industries. Our technology drives forklift, deck loaders, as well as floor scrubber dryers and delivery robots. Among our partners, we can publicly mention Vetroc, a Swiss cleaning technology company, and ABB Robotics that recently moved into the space of mobile robotics. Sevensense is based in Zurich, Switzerland, and we work on vision technology that has its origin in over 10 years of research at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. Here, our team of experts is committed to providing autonomy for the mobile robots of today and of the future, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Now, let's take a closer look at our products. Go Marcin!
Thanks, Gianluca. Those amazing results are a real testament to the capabilities of Sevensense products. First, we would like to focus on AlphaSense Position, a product that has already been present in the market for several months. AlphaSense Position is a complete camera-based positioning system for mobile robots powered by Sevensense visual SLAM technology and based on natural features. You can consider AlphaSense Position as a GPS for both indoors and outdoors, which can tell your robot where it is based on the camera imagery. Let's take a look together at the product presentation video to better understand its capabilities.
Positioning is a fundamental skill that makes autonomous mobile robots reliable. However, current positioning technology is not flexible and robust enough for what the industry needs. These limitations are overcome by 3D Visual SLAM. We used cutting-edge Visual SLAM technology to build AlphaSense Position, the most advanced positioning solution for robotics OEMs. Mounted on mobile robots, it allows them to always know where they are, precisely and reliably, even in the toughest environments. With AlphaSense Position, navigation outdoors, as well as in dynamic, repetitive, or large environments, is not a challenge anymore. Creating maps is easy and fast. It requires no external infrastructure nor expertise and minimizes deployment downtimes. This gives high flexibility in defining the setup and keeps installation costs low. The system never stops learning. It keeps updating the map so that it can work in environments that change over time. The updated maps can even be shared across a fleet of robots. AlphaSense Position combines sensor fusion AI with our multi-camera solution. Up to 8 cameras can be installed anywhere on the robot to fit the target application and provide a full surround view. It is also available as an evaluation kit to accelerate the development of new robotic vehicles. To overcome your localization challenges in tough environments, AlphaSense Position brings Visual SLAM to your robots, making them smarter than ever before.
Beyond the exciting features of Visual SLAM, we achieved really impressive results which our customers particularly appreciated. First, unparalleled precision measured at about 4 mm in the ABB Robotics Visual SLAM Challenge, which permits for docking without any external markers or infrastructure. Secondly, industrial maturity of our products to deploy in AGVs, AMRs, forklifts, or other vehicles that are operating 24/7. And finally, high precision across the entire fleet of vehicles. It means that a single map recorded by one of the robots can be deployed to all other vehicles in the environment while maintaining the very high precision of operation. Compared to the legacy systems based on 2D LiDARs, no readjustments or manual recalibration is necessary to achieve that. All of that makes AlphaSense Position a go-to solution for localization, bringing excellent precision to mobile robots. On top, it allows for super quick installation that reduces the total cost of ownership while letting you serve use cases that were simply impossible with legacy systems. But there is one more thing. We have created something new and exciting, and it will be available to you in a few months. Today, we are proud to announce AlphaSense Autonomy. It is a unique robot autonomy system that combines the benefits of Visual SLAM positioning with advanced AI local perception and navigation technology. It is a true plug-and-play navigation stack, ready for any robot, featuring reliably safety behaviors, advanced motion capabilities, and dynamic obstacle avoidance. This will allow you to get the shortest installation time and lowest setup costs compared to the legacy systems, creating completely new use cases and business opportunities. Secondly, most efficient and reliable navigation powered by Visual SLAM, including the benefits of AlphaSense Positions we discussed before. The one navigation solution for your environment without the need to complement it with any other navigation technology. And finally, the futuristic vision and AI intelligence, giving AlphaSense Autonomy a true human-like understanding of the surroundings. We believe that AlphaSense Autonomy is the most versatile navigation solution in the market. It is agnostic to any vehicle type or the environment, working in and outdoors in dynamic spaces such as block stack areas or crowded airports. It offers several navigation modes to suit your needs, from virtual path following, optionally with dynamic obstacle avoidance, up until free navigation, which works amazingly well in extremely dynamic environments. It supports a range of common industrial interfaces, and it can exchange data with fleet management systems and use the VDA 5050 protocol. And finally, a great news for those interested in trying it out. Same as for AlphaSense Position, AlphaSense Autonomy will also be available as an evaluation kit that will require minimal effort on your side to try it out. AlphaSense Autonomy is the most advanced navigation product out there, based on the visual AI technology of the future, and we are really thrilled to officially announce it. Back to you, Gianluca.
What a great product. We are thrilled about the potential of AlphaSense and are looking forward to receiving feedback from our early partners. As we said, at Sevensense, we envision a future where anyone can program AMRs quickly, easily, in all kinds of environments. And we work every day to help our customers reach this goal. Many say that vision is the future, but today at Sevensense, we are already using industry-grade vision AI to bring to the market the best performing navigation solutions for mobile robots. We are very excited about our products, and we are looking forward to telling you more about them at LogiMAT in Stuttgart. So come to visit us at our booth, D33, Hall 2. See you there.